Hi guys, hi everyone, good evening. My name is Raghuveer and today I'm going to create a Nuget package using the Visual Studio project. I'll I will tell you how to create the Nuget package and what are the settings, what are the configuration required in order to create the Nuget package. So it's very simple and short and let's begin. So let's start with a project like a class library project. So I will create the class library project and over that I will create the Nuget package and this will help you in order to create the Nuget package. There is a project under the project there is a template class library.net framework. Let's change the folder location where you want to add this. I have a separate folder guys for any technical stuff, so I put this in a R&D folder and let's take it, put a name, particular name like class library or simply Nuget package. Okay, click OK. So here is my default template of class library is added. Now what I have to do, you have to just unload this project. Right now this project is in debug mode. So what you have to do, you have to just edit this Nuget package here. First unload the project and then edit Nuget package or edit the project, and in the first configuration where the debug configuration is written, you have to change it with the release. Right here, release. Just save it. Now in order to create the Nuget package, first you have to create the new spec file. So what is new spec file? New spec file actually contains the configuration or information of the Nuget or the package, like version information of that class library, what kind of license is required, is there a license required or not required, what is the description of that package, what are the dependency or dependent objects are required once the Nuget package get installed. So all its dependent objects should be installed within that with that package. So all the that kind of information is written inside the Nuget package. So if you ever install Nuget package using the Nuget package manager, so you will see there in each package there is a dependency written inside written with the packages and the version itself. Okay, so how to create the new spec file? I'll demonstrate that. So first, this is the unload project. You have to reload it. Okay. So after reloading the project, what you have to do, you have to mention that assembly information. What I have suggested you that in order to create a new spec file, you have to mention the assembly name, its version, its description, with the company name, product type, okay, all these things. And each assembly has a unique ID that is this ID, and there is a version associated with each assembly. So this is the 1.0 version. So later on when you change inside this class library, you have to change this version. Or let's suppose you have already shared this class library with someone, some clients, and in order to change that, if you need to change this library, you have to give it a new version. Okay. So either you can write here like all the information, or there is another option. Click on the project, go to the property window, and here you find the assembly information tab under the application first tab. There you can write information like what is the description, what is the company name. Let's suppose Nuget package company private limited. All this information will be shown when you add that package in any project. Okay, so just click on OK. Now you have to save this information. You can see the information is already in the assembly file. You have to save it. You have to save it the new package property window. Now what you have to do, like you have to go to the folder, its folder. This is the folder, and this is the Nuget project.cs project file. Okay, here you need the Nuget exe, because in order to make Nuget package, Nuget site or Nuget org provides you a Nuget exe which creates the Nuget package. It actually assembles all the packages in one single file. So how to do that? Like you have to go to the, so I'll demonstrate again because I have already opened. So let's suppose you have to go to the nuget.org site. Here you have a link, downloads. Click here, or you can download any exe. So I have already downloaded multiple. So let's cancel these or click here. So there is one exe I have downloaded, and it downloaded under my downloads folder. Just copy from there and paste it inside your project where you land up. Okay. This exe file is coming under your project. Now what you have to do, you have to click on the, or you have to go to the command prompt in order to run two commands to create Nuget package. Either you can write here cmd or go to this folder, or you can directly write here like cmd and reach inside the folder. Okay. Now you are under the folder. What you have to do, you have to write a command like nuget stack and what is your project name, there's class library name dot cs project. So what you are doing the new spec file over the cs project. Sorry. So it says that new spec file already created successfully. Now you can see here, yes, this is created. When you edit it, you can see multiple things like version ID, version, title, author. So all you need to do here, provide the information like ID. So like ID, you can give any name, right? Or you just take it. So guys, this is a demo. That's why I'm taking some dummy names, but you can use your own project name or the name that suits for you or for your project. So version you can write like 1.0. Title, again I'm copying and pasting it. Author, like I'm giving my name. Again owner like company, which company it belongs, but I'm writing here. License all MIT, this is not required. Project URL, icon URL, if you have you can put, otherwise you can cancel it. One thing remember, you cannot make it blank. So wherever the dollar is written, this is the mandatory thing. You have to provide this thing if the tag is available inside this configuration file. Description is my first user package. Tag 1, tag 2, it is for searching purpose, like metadata or something. Okay, save it. Now go to the command prompt. Your package is saved. Now you have to write the second command, nuget pack. Now you are creating the actual pack over the new spec file. So that is new spec file. Okay. So once you create this, see, so attempting to build package from nuget package. So you can see my nuget package, my first nuget package dot 1.0.0 new pack is already created. Here, the package is ready. Now, what you have to do, you have to just copy it and reference it inside your code. So how to reference that, I'll show that. This package is ready. I haven't written anything so that it will demonstrate you that the package is getting installed, but it will show you the installations. So leave this part. Now I am going to create a new project. Another new project. Sorry. This project actually consume this new package. So let's suppose take it as a web application. Okay. The folder location would be similar, like that R&D part. This is my personal folder. You can use any folder. So web application, like web application using Nuget pack, custom Nuget pack. So before so that is the web application. So as you see, I have a Nuget package. I have created a Nuget package. So there are two ways. Either you can install this Nuget package directly on the Nuget site. So what you have to do, you have to just log in into the Nuget site, and it will show you or it will give you the upload platform where you can upload it. So when you sign in or sign up in Nuget site, the Nuget sites provide you the API key or the key, the key through which you can upload your package. Okay, so key is uniquely identify your package. It is not a free because there is a license required, and if you doing some kind of R&D, so you can install your Nuget package locally as well. So I am going to demonstrate you how to install that package locally. Okay, so your project is ready. So that application project is ready. Now go to the tool. Okay, go to the option. Like it will take some time because of the system configuration. So as I said, first install it locally so that everything you have developed or you test it properly. And once it is tested, you can upload or install it on a NuGet site. Or there is other way around, like we can create it NuGet package and create our own custom NuGet server as well. But that is a different thing. So first we have to install it locally. So that is a NuGet package manager which comes under the tools, options, and then NuGet package manager. So when you click on the package sources, you can see here I have created a custom exception handling. There is already NuGet org site to download the NuGet package. So whenever you search for the NuGet package, it will search from this site. Okay, it search from this site. And now I'm going to install a new NuGet package. So click on plus icon. It will give you the names, package source, but you have write your own name like my first NuGet package. Okay, here you have to provide the path. So before that, I will show you how to. So I have copied it, but it is not pasted on somewhere. So either I can pick path from here, or I should paste it here. I should paste it here because that is a good thing. If you paste here, you will remember the version and all these things. So it should be inside the project. So it is here. Now open this folder location, copy it. You have to just copy from the root, not the file name, just copy from the root. And again now go to the tool, option, and package. So last time it is not created, but now I will create that package. Package name is my first NuGet package, and here is the root path of my application. I don't have to give the path of exact path of the file, the root path. Okay, now I'm clicking on that, clicking on OK button. Okay, sorry. Now your package is ready. You just have to rebuild the project. Okay, now like go to the NuGet package manager. Here you can see the package source is NuGet.org, but you can change here, like my first NuGet package is already available. Go to the browse button. Okay, so this is a local package that's already available. When you click in that, it will show you the details, all the details here. If there is any dependency, so dependency would be defined here. So when you click on install, it installed already. It installed and says, okay, so there is something missing that we have missed when we install that NuGet package. There is a version dependency, framework dependency. So I'll show you in later in my second video with full of packages, how to embed packages and dependency with the project so that you can install those. Okay, so that's it guys, that's it from my side. I hope you like this video, and I hope this video will work for you. Thank you. Thank you very much.